a hot gift drawing screams and sobs of joy.
I find this trend perplexing. Wanting a good quality reusable cup isn't completely stupid, but the accessories? I mean, sure, if you want to be able to eat and drink at the same time, you could get one of these things, or you could just do that. I've seen loads of accessories for the Stanley Cup, however none of them really seem to be geared towards men. Is it because we are just less likely to buy pointless shit? Yeah, maybe not. However, this one includes Picatinny rails for ultimate customization and is far from pointless with these self-defense spiky bits.
Does that hurt?
I think so, yeah.
It also has a built-in pen holder.
For a pen is mightier than a sword, unless the other person actually has a sword, then it's pretty fucking useless.
I know you're thinking this is the pinnacle of engineering, but there's more, so sit back and be amazed. Before I start this bit, I'd like to ask, have you ever actually seen someone in public use a bag that is centred around a Stanley? Leave a comment below, I am genuinely curious. For whatever reason, people want to store everything that they can on this drinking device, and so I've made the perfect solution for this, which I will now demonstrate.
So for our top drawer, I filled it with things that you would normally find in a drawer. So we have a battery of unknown charge, one small elastic band, an Allen key, which I have no idea what it fits, some spare change, oh look, that one's rare, a key of unknown use, and some random screw. And for the bottom drawer, some soup.
Next up, my solution for wanting to have two different drinks at once.
They're both water.
You know the saying, if a tree falls in the woods but nobody records it, who gives a fuck?
This is easily the dumbest thing that I've made so far. However, one of the things I've made today actually is useful. There's only one, and it's hidden underneath this thing. That actually came off really well. I'm surprised. Yeah, it's this.
Due to the sheer size of this thing, it doesn't always fit places easily, so the simple addition of a little hook does solve a lot of problems. Now I could waste time talking about how influencers, obviously sponsored influencers, took what would have been a sustainable and reusable product and kind of ruined it, but I'm not going to lose any hair over this, largely because I've got pretty good genetics, thanks to my dad. But in reality, not that many people, I like to think, are doing that. So if you are going to get one of these, just remember,
It's designed to do this. That's it.